Hey guys, it's me, Big Elevator Dude 707 here. I got a new panel here, as you can see. However, one trouble I think is battery. So yeah, it's pretty good. I got this for a really low price at a fire alarm place. This is Summit SFC-105 fire alarm panel. It's 5 zones. And I'm going to set it off. And let me get my keys out of my pocket. I'm using a Notifier by Honeywell BG-12L Pull station. I'm using a powder bell. So, let's see what it sounds like. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Push it down. As you can see, it's alarm in zone 1. Alarm silence. As you can see in zone 1, it's an alarm. That's the only zone I've hooked up to. And it's uncontinuous. So yeah, I'm going to reset the pull station. Remove this. It's a dual action pull station, obviously. Let me put the camera down, hang on. Sorry about that. Get reset. There we go. There we go. So let's reset it. Oh, there goes the buzzer again. Alarm silence. That was a trouble. Let's do a system reset. You have to. There we go. Trouble silence. Since I might have a trouble or two on the panel. So yeah. Sorry for the crappy wiring, but this was just in a demonstration of my new panel. I'll soon be getting another one too, called the Potter PFC-6006. Maybe. Hopefully I will, but this is what I got. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.